Science encompasses a broader skill set compared to data analysis. Here are some key skills required for data science. Mathematics and statistics. A strong foundation in mathematics, including linear algebra, calculus, and probability theory, is essential for data science. Knowledge of statistics, hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and experimental design is valuable for modeling and analyzing data. Programming. Proficiency in programming languages is crucial for data science. Python and R are widely used in the field, and familiarity with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, Python, Odpla, Tidyr, Caret, R. Machine learning and algorithms. Understanding machine learning techniques and algorithms is a core skill for data scientists. This includes supervised learning, classification, regression, unsupervised learning, clustering, dimensionality reduction, and reinforcement learning. Familiarity with popular machine learning libraries and frameworks like Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, or PyTorch is valuable. Data manipulation and cleaning. Data scientists need to be proficient in cleaning and pre-processing data. This involves handling missing values, dealing with outliers, and transforming data into suitable formats for analysis. Knowledge of tools like SQL, Pandas, or Odpla for data manipulation is essential. Data visualization. Data scientists should be able to create meaningful visualizations to communicate insights effectively. Proficiency in data visualization libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, or ggplot2, as well as understanding design principles and visually appealing visualizations. Big data and distributed computing. Handling large-scale datasets often requires knowledge of big data technologies and distributed computing frameworks. Familiarity with tools like Apache Hadoop, Spark, or distributed databases like Apache Cassandra can help process and analyze massive amounts of data efficiently. Deep learning and neural networks. Deep learning concepts and neural network architectures is valuable for tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and recommendation systems. Familiarity with deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch is advantageous. Domain knowledge. Having domain expertise in the area you are working in is beneficial. Understanding the industry-specific context, terminology, and challenges helps in formulating relevant questions, selecting appropriate features, and interpreting results effectively. Problem-solving and critical thinking. Data scientists need strong problem-solving skills to tackle complex data challenges. They should be able to identify and define problems, devise analytical approaches, evaluate models, and iterate to improve results. Critical thinking helps in identifying biases, potential pitfalls, and limitations in data analysis. Communication and storytelling. Data scientists should be able to effectively communicate their findings to diverse audiences. This includes presenting insights through reports, visualizations, and presentations, as well as translating technical concepts into clear and understandable language for non-technical stakeholders. Experimental design and A/B testing. Knowledge of experimental design principles and conducting A/B tests is valuable for evaluating the impact of assessing the algorithms and models. Collaboration and teamwork. Data scientists often work in interdisciplinary teams, collaborating with stakeholders, data engineers, software developers, and domain experts. Strong teamwork, communication, and the ability to work in a collaborative environment are crucial.